1 year ago, you and I packed up and moved across the country. You and I drove 4,500 kilometers with 2 loose cats and a barking Yorkshire Terrier in the cab with us. And still, I loved you through every minute of it. I want to thank you for joining me on this crazy life adventure. It used to be that I had my own dreams, and I hoped that you would love them too. But over the past 7 years, my dreams have become our dreams.
Oh my goodness, my beautiful bride. I love you. I love you too, babe. You're beautiful. Oh my goodness.
I find myself here, the end of our years, hoping for just one more day with you, dear.
Welcome to the Brew Creek Centre. We're here not just to witness, but we're also here to celebrate the joining in legal matrimony of Paige and Mike.
Oh, let's go where nobody knows, and let the wind take us away.
Mike, I promise to keep choosing you every single day. I promise to respect the 2-cat rule.
I promise to always love you, to care for you, to support you in all you do in life, to protect you, to keep you warm at night, to do your taxes, and to remind you to change your oil.
I promise to create the space and make the home that you need to be happy and to realize your biggest potentials.
My mind is at ease and my heart is full. I couldn't be more excited to take this next step in our lives together. Paige, I love you dearly. I do.
I have great pleasure in pronouncing you legally married. You may kiss your bride.
Let's give it up for Mike and Paige!
Humbled every day by your kindness and your generosity, and I will spend the rest of my life striving to give it back to you. I love you.